Did you ever think of what's the reason behind earthquakes and how our nature got evolved from only having dangerous yet magical structures such as volcanoes, mountains, and other geological events? Let's all figure out how our Mother Earth cycle itself balance out nature.
Studying plate boundaries is important because along these boundaries, the formation of the lithosphere is happening. These geologic events have a great impact not only on our environment but also on us.
Types of plate boundaries. There are three distinct types of plate boundary which are differentiated by the type of movement they exhibit.
First is convergent plate boundary, or also known as destructive plate boundary. Second, divergent plate boundary, or also known as constructive plate boundary. Third is transform fault plate boundary, or also known as conservative boundary.
Converging plate boundary, when two tectonic plates move toward each other and collide, they form and converging plate boundary, or also known as destructive plate boundary.
As two plates collide, a collision zone is created and one of the leading edges of a plate will be subducted and destroyed. That's why it's also known as destructive plate boundary.
As two plates move apart, it creates a zone of tension and form a gap where molten materials will emerge and solidify, forming geologic features such as volcanoes or mountains.
Transform fault boundary. Transform fault boundary is also known as the conservative margin plate that slide past each other so that the relative movement is horizontal.
In this type of plate boundary, no plate margins are being destroyed or formed. Rather, it forms mostly the shaking of the ground known as earthquakes.